Hey guys, what's up? So this is at random here. I'm gonna say something real quick before I start the video. Actually, there's a special someone out there that's feeling a bit glum today, and I hope you have a great day and put a smile on that. I hope only good things will happen to you today, and yeah, wish you all the best. So yeah. As for this video, you guys literally didn't even leave one like on the past one, so I'm hoping because I'm in person, there would be somewhat a difference. So let's see what happens if I try this in person, Okay. Praat zacht van mij uit de voorde. Blij lief, want jy daar beloof. Wees sterk, want sy het jou nodig. Wees voordelig. Bly leer om te vergewe. Bly glo as goed in die lewe. Wees sterk, want sy verwag dit van jou. I was like, okay, guys, I'm done. I've literally been recording 3 hours. I'm taking a break now. Enjoy the video. I love you guys.